The original Doge meme has been sold as an NFT for $4 million. Now you can own a piece of it for less than $1. Oh, he's going to do a NFT split, fragment it out.
Yeah, they're going to fraction it off.
What is the original Doge meme? It's just the one photo? It's a photo. So the person who created the NFT would have been the original photographer? He who took that photo, who owns that dog, who owns the Doge?
No, it was a company that bought it for $4 million.
No, I know, but I'm saying who put it on the market in the first place? The original NFT.
Oh, I don't know. That's a good question.
It would would it not have to be the original creator?
Unless someone bought it from him for like $5 and then minted it.
God.
Maybe.
Bought the rights to the photo of the guy's dog? I'm sure that somebody somewhere knows the origin, but anyway, at this point, at least we are aware that it's worth $4 million. On Friday, the auction winner, Please Ardeo, placed a winning bid of 1,696.9 ETH, worth approximately $4 million. We're happy to be a part of this milestone in internet history. If any meme deserved to be the new meme NFT record holder, it's Doge. Okay. Fair. Oh, there we go. According to the internet meme database Know Your Meme, which certified Doge ahead of the auction to ensure that the meme was being sold by its rightful owner. There you go. So It is true that the original, there you go. The meme was first put up for auction on Tuesday by Atsuko Sato, the owner of Kabosu, the dog from the image. There you go. So the actual owner of that dog was the beneficiary of the original auction.
Yeah.
And anyway, now they're going to split it up. This is fractional.art. Man, it's crazy. Smart contracts. Holy. They're like, yeah, no big deal. We're going to split it up. Come get your piece.
Are you going to buy like a tiny pixel of this Doge art?
It's interesting because to take the smallest fraction possible seems kind of reasonable, but what if somebody's like, I want 50% of it? Why? Doesn't it seem weird? I don't know. Yeah. This is a tough one for me. I'm not sure that that's going to be
you want the
wise
whole art?
Investment.
You want the whole thing?
I mean, not necessarily. It's just when they make that many fractions, right? Like how many fractions will there be? Like what's the smallest unit I can buy of it?
I'm guessing you can just. I mean, it depends on how big it is, right?
Well, if you go back to that page where you just were, where I can put my bid in. Yeah, here. See where it says fractions? I think you can type it in. This vault has low liquidity. Proceed with caution. Yeah, so can you put 0.1 ETH? Or less. I mean, obviously you can put 0.1. Insufficient asset liquidity. Not
even 1 ETH.
What? I don't know. This whole thing is busted.
Yeah, that's weird. Max?
Maybe you have to put in what you...
I don't have enough.
Oh, you don't. You have 0 ETH. Oh, okay. Which is not true. We all know you're a whale, Willie D. But anyway,
whale.
because you're not logged in, that's why you have insufficient. Anyway, whatever. I presume you can set it up. Yeah, look what they're saying. The total supply of the thing. I don't know, man. What can I say about this? I don't want a fraction. No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm not against the NFT thing. Like, I think some of that stuff is super cool. What's going on?
Yeah.
But maybe we're a little time away from the fraction being. See, what's weird to me is like, why not create a couple dozen unique versions of this, and fractionalize it in that way? I don't know. I guess there's so many ways to do it. Whatever you guys like. Whatever you guys like, man.